guys? What's up? Can your favorite big business owner get a little love? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Natalia, president, and yes, I'm back with another banger. Okay, y'all, it's Pinkmas, where I'm gonna be bringing you guys 25 days straight heat. Okay, we're gonna be covering self-care, we're gonna be covering skincare, we're gonna help you develop a routine, we're gonna help you level up your life, heal, forgive, level up, get better relationship with God, and we're even gonna tag team and touch, of course, because you know Pinkmas, we can't go through Pinkmas without hitting on Nicki Minaj, the mother, oh, Nicki Minaj. Y'all, don't get me started. I love me some Nicki, y'all. Like, okay, I'm a barb for life and will always be a barb. I was born a barb. So for Pinkmas Day 1, you know I had to go cop the Pink Friday 2 perfume. So we got to go into the review for it. Let's go. For Pinkmas Day 1, you guys, we got Pink Friday 2, okay? I know you don't have it. You don't have this because it's only for the real exclusive bar. Only we knew where to get it from. So we're going to open it for y'all. I got mine from JCPenney's. I'm gonna insert the clip here where I legitimately had to tell them that they had it because they told me that they didn't have it and it wasn't there yet. It is there. Nicki said it's there. And what Onika Tanya Mirage says, honey, that's what it is, okay? So then they finally found one in the back. And I got 2. I might give away one. Comment down below if I should give away one of the perfumes. Okay, so, oh my God, it's such pretty pink packaging. Like, you just, first of all, Nicki never comes to play. So I already was expecting amazingness, but I was not expecting this like very nice, like, you know how so many people like will rush through a perfume and they'll make it where like the box is just regular. Like you can feel the gold like imprint. It says Nicki Minaj Pink Friday 2 and it has the chains, y'all. Like I just feel like I was with her when she was making this, like literally. I feel so a part of it. Okay, so now we're going to, oh my gosh. I'm scared to open it, you guys. You can see the pink head as soon as you open it. Oh my God. Oh my stinking goodness, y'all. Y'all ready for Onika? Baby, she didn't come to play. This is so cute. Okay, let me show y'all up close.
Who God bless, no man can curse Abba. What's done in the dark, come the light, light. Who God bless, no man can curse Abba. It all backfires, that's work. Bless, oh yes, I confess. Got a itty bitty diamond studded S on my chest.
Packaging, 10 out of 10. Now, you know what I would have liked to see? Some chains on here. Nicki, I remember one time you had an exclusive launch and it had chains. I want it, okay? So let's open it. I don't know where to like open it at. Like, how do you? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So the reason it wouldn't come off, I was holding the hair. So the hair is, this is so cool, y'all. Like the wig basically is the cap. That is fire. Like, okay, so we're gonna do initials. So I'm gonna let y'all see. Well, I'm gonna smell it first, okay? First, we're gonna do a little, we're gonna spray it on there. Oh my gosh! Let me let y'all see the little spray. I ain't wasting too much though. Let me roll myself in it, honey. Whew. First of all, the smell. Rating 1 through 10, 1,000, okay? I have never smelled a perfume that, oh, like I can't even describe the smell. It's like luxury. It's like walking in millions of dollars. Like if you were to see billions of dollars and you just like roll around in it, oh my gosh, this is like what a billionaire smells like. Literally, Nicki took her scent and put it in this bottle, y'all. Oh my gosh, I can't even like describe things it smells like, but rich, blessed. Like y'all, y'all, just go buy it. Go buy it. And I'm not just saying it because I'm a barb, because I got mine. I got my too. I just want y'all to be walking around smelling rich, because this is like, baby, Nika put her, you put your foot in this one, girl. You better go ahead. This is amazing. I don't even want to like spray it anymore, but I'm gonna spray it on me. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing, y'all. I can't describe what it smells like though. It's just amazing. It smells gorgeous. Like, I didn't even know a fragrance could smell like gorgeous, rich, blessed, highly favored. But baby, God helped her make this one, because baby, this smells heavenly, okay? That's what it smells like. Heavenly, gorgeous, beautiful, blessed. Go buy you one. Go get you one. If you don't have one, first of all, you can't say you a barb. And if you don't have one, you just missing out, because baby, this bottling, packaging, the heaviness, the quality, like, this needs to be more money. This should have been like way more money, okay? I done spent a lot of money on perfume that did not have the quality that this bottle, the packaging, the smell. This is giving amazing. This is giving barb for life. This is giving Nicki did her one with this one. This is giving God helped her make this, okay? Go cop y'all one. And matter of fact, because it smells so amazing, yeah, I can't give y'all that one, but I'm gonna go cop another one for y'all. Comment down below if you want to win this fragrance. This is amazing. It smells amazing. Like, child boo. There ain't no other fragrance like this on the market. And there is no other fragrance that just has the quality that this has. Like, I'm in love with the quality. Like, quality, she did her one on this one. The smell, the scent, everything. Amazing, top tier. Only suggestion I would tell her, raise that price, baby, because this is amazing. You know, this is amazing. I paid $200 one time for a freaking fragrance that came in a little bottle like this, a little regular. And the fact that you put all of this quality and effort and in it, like, what kind of, y'all, I love this perfume. Let me come back with my overall rating. So, packaging, 10. Smell, 1,000,000. Quality in the bottle and like the head and just like everything quality wise, 10 out of 10. Perfect. Miss Mama's, Miss Onika, Tanya Mirage, baby, you did the one with this one. You and God, y'all did y'all one with this one. I'm loving it. Amazing, top tier. So now, our next set of business, y'all, what we need God to do is make this collab with Nicki happen. Because baby, Natalia's Magic Skincare times Nicki Minaj is coming. Mark my words. Look at the date of this video and mark my words, okay? Mark them. Me and Onika, we are going to collab on us a self-care kit, okay? Y'all, just wait, it's coming. Pink Friday edition.